GCSE Math Paper Review.
Square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to cube root of 125b cubed. So to solve this one, we have to simplify first the equation inside the square root, which is 3 squared. That will be 9 plus 16 square root. Then this one, the cube root of 125 is 5, and the cube root of b cube is 3, is b. So that will be 5b. Then square root of 25 is equal to 5b. Square root of 25, that will be 5, is equal to 5b. Then we're going to divide both sides by 5. Five divided by 5 is equal to 1, so b is equal to 1.